Hey guys, Figma in the latest Figma conference presents and publish a lot of the new functionalities. One of the functionalities that attracts me is Figma Slides. I believe everybody use Keynote or PowerPoint one to another time, but some people like me, we use Figma instead because Figma is a web-based design tool, so they never stuck at some certain points. And in a poor computer, you might get stuck in PowerPoint quite often, but Figma never. And also, we don't need to switch one time to another. So in order to try the latest Figma slides, you need to click here and find the try out button to join the beta list. Then we find in Figma we have 4 buttons on the top now. So we click the third one and into this interface. Wow, this is pretty new to us. And here we have a small pop-up to let us select one of the templates. I like this one. Click here. Wow, inside of there are 20 maybe another kind of the contents that we can use. Beautiful. Then we can use this for free. Click here. And then we have this beautiful cover page, which we can edit by double click. And also, if you are not a Figma user, you might find this a little bit hard to add the styles. Let's see. I want to change the title font size to smaller numbers. So click here. Yeah. And then we type blah, blah, blah. And now we have this welcome Figma sharing PowerPoint slide 1. Nice. Beautiful. And so easy to use. Okay. Then we click here. We can insert another one. I think this is a beautiful agenda. I copy and paste it, and I move the second element's upper side and changing the color. So I want to make an animation and click the shift and we multiple select the 2 slides and click the animate and click the smart animate and back click play button, and we have 2 sessions. We click the first one. Okay, so wow, nice. Wow, so we have smart animates inside of the fixed slides. All right, and another functionality that's really interesting is a note. You might notice that many presenters might forget their script inside of their slides. So here we can type little script so that we can present. When we present, we can speak, but nobody else can see it. So let's try this functionality. Click here and click play button and click here, present plus notes. All right, so we have a small window jump up, and we can share this windows to the audience. And the background, we have this slides with the notes. Nice. And I think this time this is a really user-friendly slides software that Figma converts itself into. All right, and what else? What can we do? Here we have this secrets button called AI tone adjuster. So you can adjust all the tone of the text to casual or professional or something else by single click the round button towards the 4 edges. So let's see if we click here, put it to professional, maybe. Wow, I think everything changes. So, the welcome become greetings, more professional, and welcome to my Figma sharing changing to collaboration in Figma. So it does become more professional. So let's try casual. Okay, so greetings become hello and working together in Figma. So everything can change. The tone can be changed inside of this AI button. So once your boss, if he have another idea, so-called idea, want to change the tone, you can use this easily. All right, so I insert the third slides, and we have three beautiful photos. We can replace it, and we multiple selection and click here. We can make an animation so the transactions between each slice can be easy to edit. And we have this slide out. We can changing the directions here. So let me check the first. Okay, okay, wrong direction. All right, back to our workshop and click here, changing the direction. And this one use Smart Animate, and we click the play button again. All right, beautiful. Okay. So I think basically you already mastered the basic functionalities of the Figma slides, but this is not all. We can also click here to drag a interaction component. So we have four interaction components. First is a poll. So you can have a vote inside of our presentation, and you can share the link to the audience. You not only present it in the stage, you might present in the long distance cooperation. So you can share the link, and we can add this prototype even. So once you finish the mobile application design and you want to show the boss how it looks, you can click here to add the prototype. So it will be right in your slides. Beautiful. And you can also insert many icons from here if you're not a designer, maybe a product manager. You can also use Figma slides to design a professional slides. Okay. I think basically that's it. If I didn't cover any functionality you want, please write down in the comment zone. I will see you on next one. Bye bye. Congratulations, you finished this episode. And don't forget to subscribe us and please click the like button. Also leave all your questions inside of our comment zone. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.